So I'm Mark Wooten, VP of Sales and Marketing with Prince Industries. We started working with VX Group a little over a year ago. We were growing and we were starting to acquire other companies, and it's exciting times, but we knew we needed help with our marketing, specifically our branding and our demand generation. We really wanted a branding overhaul, not just to make it look better and be more attractive, but also to be more consistent. We didn't have any brand guidelines. We needed help with that. So we also used VX Group's demand generation capabilities to help us prospect for new customers. We've accomplished several things since working with the VX Group. First, going through the assessment process was really helpful. It helped us know where we were already doing pretty well and where we really needed some improvement to hit our goals. So using that information as a starting point, we were able to make everything we do with regard to branding more effective and more consistent and more attractive. So now I know that all of our messaging is consistent and really pointed towards the customer. We've always been doing that, but VX Group helped us really shape that to where every single thing started with the customer, not just us touting ourselves with no connection to the real world problems we're trying to help our customers solve. We also worked with VX Group in preparing to exhibit at the ConEXPO show in Las Vegas in March of 2023. It's a really big show, somewhere around 130 to 150,000 people. And you only get a shot at it every 3 years. It's only held every 3 years. So that was a big effort. And honestly, we didn't have the team to do that here. So the folks at VX Group helped us with designing everything, preparing, reaching out to prospects to set up appointments before the show. And that was a really big success. So we were able to get about 50 high quality leads from that show, which we couldn't have done without the team at VX. As far as our relationship goes, we consider the team at VX to be basically an extension of our internal sales and marketing resources, which is how it should be. I have weekly meetings with Kelsey. She's our growth plan manager, and she's awesome. These weekly meetings help make sure everything stays on track. And she thinks of things that I don't think of, and vice versa. It's really a good team effort. And the rest of the team really seems to enjoy what they're doing, and they're very competent and really good at what they do. And that helps us stay on top of everything. So working with VX, I've learned two things. First, I've learned how important it is to have consistent messaging, both internally and externally, and VX has helped us with both of those. That really puts the customer at the forefront of everything we do, solving their problems. Secondly, I've learned how important it is to have a good team behind you, driving everything and keeping everything on track. The VX team helped us discover that we're really good at what we do, but we needed some help communicating that consistently and effectively, both internally and externally. We already tended to focus on the customer in our sales process, but VX Group helped us sharpen that point and make our communication on our website and our flyers, everything we do really pointed in that direction with a call to action. And that's really generated a lot of leads on the demand gen side, and we get a lot of activity from the website. I think business leaders should know that the team at VX is really top notch, and they really helped us be much more effective and much more successful over the last year, and we've had a great time doing it.